with you, man.
I'm talk to them real quick.
Alrighty.
You want to talk to that officer? You haven't met her yet, I don't think.
Yeah, I'm gonna meet up with her. They need to understand that this is a public building. They locked that, which is a fire hazard. Which is a fire hazard. Cause it's supposed to. Cause it. No, I actually walked out when they said they was gonna call you, just to kind of ease them. The lady, she started going off right when I walked in.
You been up here before?
No, I never been up here. I was actually on my way to your police station. So.
Do you have a reason to be up here specifically, or?
Do I need a reason to be up here? Yeah, I actually do, and I let her know that though. I'm not gonna listen. I told her I'm up here to submit a sunshine request.
Sunshine request?
Absolutely. She right here. This is Miss Valerie.
Oh. Let me talk to her.
Can I get your name and your badge number?
Last name's Griffin, 1207.
How you doing, Miss Griffin?
Can I talk to her?
Yeah, you can talk to her.
Okay.
Pardon me, excuse me.
Can we go in your office and talk?
Yes.
Is your badge on? I mean, is your body camera on?
It is.
Okay, I appreciate that.
Okay. You talking in here?
Look at Miss Valerie. I've been nothing but respectful. Look at her.
Can you wait up?
I mean, this is the lobby area. I wait right here. She look like the lady that do the greens, tomatoes, chicken for Thanksgiving. That little thing, that little singing thing.
I don't know that I've seen that.
Yeah. Absolutely not, Aguayo. Let's get your captain up here, bro. Why do they run the same playbook every day? Why do Lee Summit police do this everywhere they go? We're gonna have to get a captain. We're gonna have to get the chief or captain up here. Aguayo just asked her for her ID, Kansas City, and saying you can trespass him, that they trespassed me from the post office. That's negative. Y'all have no jurisdiction on at the post office. That's federal ground. I'm very disappointed in Aguayo. I thought he was about to uphold the Constitution and protected what he took an oath to do. But I just heard that, what he said. And the ladies back here giving a false police report, that's the crime. I got everything recorded.
Hold up. Right away you can tell this isn't a polite office visit. The subject walks in with a purpose, a sunshine request. Staff react defensively, the tone flips from routine to confrontational, and the auditor calmly names the law he's there to use. That contrast, composed citizen versus flustered staff, creates instant friction and hooks the viewer. Listen to the micro moments. A staffer threatens to call someone, the auditor refuses to be pushed out, and a supervisor is requested on the spot. Those 3 beats set the stakes. This is about rights, jurisdiction, and whether officials will treat a public building like private property. The audience now wants one thing. Will the officers back the citizens' rights or the staff's demands? The value here is clarity under pressure. The auditor is steady, repeats his purpose, and signals record-keeping. That quiet confidence tells viewers this will be about procedure, not theatrics, and it makes every next exchange matter.
Man. Let's listen. That takes. Hey, y'all, we definitely finna go to the police department and we finna get this body cam footage to see everything that's being said because, yeah, it's some lies going on back there, and they just listening to her. I've been nothing but respectful to Miss Valerie. And she's finna learn today who I am. She said, I don't even know you're gonna learn today. This office most definitely gonna learn who I am after today. He in here trying to solicit a trespass on public property. Wow. They can pull that off on private property. This is actually a government building. You can't do that. Yeah, they can't turn a constitutional protected activity into a crime. Trying to create something to make me leave. I'm just disappointed, man. Let's see what this guy do. I'm trying to give everybody the opportunity, man. How you doing, sir?
How are you?
Can I get your name and badge number, please?
Schaefer, Captain, 9206.
Appreciate you being professional.
All right.
I came here just simply.
Hold on. Let me talk to them first.
Okay, go ahead.
I'll happily talk to them.
Okay.
Fair enough?
Okay, fair enough.
Right.
They in there just lying. I got everything recorded though, so
okay,
I had no problem showing you the video.
Okay. Hold on. Let me talk to them and I'll talk to you.
But go for it. I'm getting everybody body cam for today anyway, so I'm saying it really don't matter where I stand, does it?
No, but I feel like people in my back pocket. But you stand wherever you need to stand.
Okay.
Fair enough?
I like that. I like that. We doing good so far.
All right. Sunshine request.
Yes.
You know you got to file that at the department, correct?
I can actually do it here. They will actually submit it to whoever they need to
Perfect.
do it for. I can do it.
Valerie said that she needs to get the form online, so she doesn't have it. So
Okay.
she was requesting.
Here the game changes. A uniformed captain arrives and the dynamic shifts from claim and counterclaim to an authoritative test. The auditor presses the trespass angle. Staff suggest removal. The captain's presence raises the question, will law enforcement de-escalate or validate the officer's version? Watch the push-pull. The auditor accuses the staff of making false statements while demanding badge numbers and calm transparency. The captain tries to mediate, but the underlying tension is clear. Who interprets public space, and who gets to decide when recording becomes a problem? That ambiguity is the emotional fuel of the clip. This segment is high value because it reveals how policy and personality collide. The captain's words and body language, asking for IDs, offering to talk, give the audience their first real look at whether the system protects rights or covers over them.
And obviously we got called.
And to clarify, he didn't actually go into the other offices. He just got a foot in.
I just got 1 foot in, right in the doorway.
We've done this before.
Okay,
and
yes,
I don't
sir.
want to fight with you.
I don't
so
want to fight with no. I'm just a little. I heard what was said
doing
back
what you're
there,
doing.
so please forgive me. So,
But
but
here's
I
the
heard
deal.
some. Go ahead. What's the deal?
Public property. You
Go
know,
ahead.
you know better than I probably where
ahead.
you can be and cannot be. Correct me if I'm wrong at any time in that statement.
If they wanted me to leave, I just want to do a sunshine and get out of here. I'm not trying to antagonize y'all.
Well, I have a feeling they're
Trying
going to tell you to fill it out online.
But I can do it in person. There's no standard form. I can do it on a blank piece of paper, hand it to her. She give me a stamp, make a copy. I am gone.
Does she know that she can do
She
that?
probably don't know that. She don't even know
That's
that I can record in there.
That's the point.
I'm here to educate though.
Well, but
so
not every. We're willing to learn
Okay,
from you,
we're
but
here-
not
we're-
everybody is that open-minded. Does that make sense?
it do, but that make it.
Hold on, let's do this.
Go ahead.
There you go. I got mine off. Take yours off so I can see. How about that? Because I like CIs. It just makes it's more personable.
Well, what I'm teaching, everything I do is educational.
I
I'm
get
not even
that.
wearing my mask today.
I
I'm teaching
appreciate
people
that.
there's no expectation.
I would, though. It's cold.
There's no expectation of privacy in public. That's
Agreed.
the only reason I wear that.
Okay.
Everything I do is educational.
Okay.
I'm not trying to antagonize you guys.
I'm not-
I told
I'm
the
not
lady.
taking it that way.
I'm maybe if you hear my voice a little bit, it's because I heard what the lady been saying. I'm like, I got it recorded. I'm like, wait till Aguayo see the video. He gonna be like, you lied to me. I was very respectful to the lady because she's like she's old enough to be my mother. I said I'm just trying to do a sunshine and leave.
Okay.
She did ask me to leave. She said, "Can you do an appointment?" I said, I'm right here." I said, "Well, if you can't help me now, I'm just going to take a look, get some of the things on the wall, and that's that." Y'all about to go on lunch break here in a little bit.
Okay.
So that's about to be her next thing, is saying we on break to come back. So does she really want me to come back a whole nother day and do this all over?
No.
Or can we just handle
I
this and
just
do
want
my
to be done. What do you need to
my
do?
sunshine request and I'm gone?
Okay. What are you going to write it on?
I asked her for a blank piece of paper.
What'd she say?
She told me she's not going to give it to me.
Okay. I'll give you a blank piece of paper.
That's all I need, man.
Okay.
That's
You want a
simple.
blank piece of paper?
And a pen. And I'll write it down, man, and I am
Luckily,
gone.
we get them free where we work.
And if we actually
This is the teachable spine of the whole encounter. The auditor calmly explains what a sunshine request is, why it can be filed in person, and why recording in public is protected, all while the staff dodge with appointments and breaks. It's friction wrapped in civics class. Notice the cadence. The auditor's tone remains instructional, even a little disappointed. That's deliberate. He's not screaming, he's demonstrating procedure. That contrast between education and evasion amplifies the viewer's frustration with the staff's evasive tactics and makes the legal reality look simple and uncompromising. Use this clip to give viewers context and to frame the conflict as more than a personality clash. It's about access to government information and the small procedural choices that either uphold or undermine public accountability.
pay for this stuff here, so I'm kind of. She just didn't want me here because I was recording, sir.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie. People get all weary when they see a recorder. You know that. That's part of your thing. You realize.
I was just a little disappointed in you,
Paper.
Aguayo, though. You keep trying to solicit these trespasses on public property. You have to commit a crime. Mine is no.
understand.
But I was
in a protected area, which was part of what was being alleged.
I wanted Aguayo to be like, hey, he's exercising his First Amendment right to record and.
Look at
I'm
that.
giving this
That's
back to
at
you.
least some police department.
If I can keep it, I appreciate
Sure,
it.
you can keep it.
Here, I'm about to go in here and do
Free
this.
where I work.
Yes. Can she make a copy of that? Can she? Can I get a stamp received that she stamped and received it, and get a copy of that, please?
Hold on.
And then I'm gone. That's yours and that's his that
I'll
didn't
give
work.
him the non-working pen
Okay,
back.
yeah, yes. see if they gave me my stamp receipt and copy.
And I'm sorry.
I never gave it.
Okay, what's your, I'm Rod, and you are?
Kansas City Accountability.
Okay, hi Kansas. Do you have a first name though?
Kansas
Your name is Kansas.
City Accountability, sir.
Kansas City Accountability.
If you got a business card on you, I can email you everything.
I would just, doesn't matter.
Oh, okay.
Anyway,
I would have gave you that. I just never do it when I'm working.
That's fine. That's
okay.
fine. So, you see, like when you ask me, I'm happily give you my name. Anyway, with that being said, the information's been filed. She said she will work on it, and probably 10 to 15 business days, you should have something to reply.
Right. Could she stamp that she received it and give me a copy, or just sign it and give me a copy, please?
I'm giving you the verbal that I gave.
Okay. I mean that word just that should suffice.
So
okay.
I handed it to her personally.
Okay.
She put it right next to all her paperwork, and she said, if we don't have anything else,
all right,
we could be done for the day.
All right, yes sir. So
hold on, I'm trying to see if I look good on the video. Because I can look for being old.
You actually look. You said you look.
I'm pretty old.
You look
I've been
young.
doing this job 30-some years.
What?
Yeah. Probably longer than you've been alive.
How long you said?
33 years.
I know. I'm older than that.
Okay. Well, good for you.
This stretch is the battleground of proof. The auditor insists on a stamped receipt and a copy, the tangible evidence that the office actually accepted the request. The staff's partial compliance, vague timelines, 10 to 15 business days, and the back and forth over stamp turn paperwork into the guilty or exonerating artifact of the scene. Small physical actions matter here: handing over the paper, the position of documents, the withheld stamp. Those tiny logistics are huge for accountability videos. They either produce the record needed for follow-up, or they create plausible deniability for the office. Tension rises because the viewer knows the difference between "I filed a request" and "I have it on paper, stamped." This is the moment the audit proves or loses its leverage. It's procedural, but its consequences are anything but.
Yeah, I mean, you look good for your age. Now, I really mean that, though.
Okay.
I was just gonna hang around, probably leave when you guys leave. I just don't want to give them.
I'm gonna talk to her.
That,
We're
that you ran
leaving,
me
so
off.
we can all leave together.
I'm gonna leave when you leave.
All right, fantastic. Who you got?
I'm just glad everything got worked out. So, you know, that's what's up. But I'm finna get the body cam footage. I can't really make out what was said. I just rather, in a situation like that, of why you come in and just say, hey, instead of telling her, hey, we trespassed him, we run into him, he's a nuisance, he attacked. Hey, he just exercised his First Amendment right. He has every right to be here. As long as he's not going nowhere that's restricted or stopping you guys from doing your work, there's really nothing we can do. Instead of realizing there's nothing he can do and say, hey, well, do you want to trespass? And then come out here and try to get my ID and try to get me for fusing not. Come on, like y'all running the same playbook. And I'm like, I want y'all to do good. I understand that she don't understand, and we need you guys to come in because it means something when you say it. When you come in here and say, hey, he has every right to do that, that means way more than me saying I have every right to do so. They don't believe me, so I need you guys. So yes, and I appreciate you. So yes.
So I'm gonna do something. This is crazy, but go with me, because this is about being proactive. Where are you going next?
The police department. I told you that.
Oh, okay. No,
I gotta go talk to Nina.
I missed that part.
I gotta go talk to Nina.
Go talk to Nina.
Oh yeah.
All right, fantastic.
Because I heard some stuff
Stay warm.
Yeah. And you said you don't have a business card?
No, I totally have a business card somewhere.
Do you mind writing it down for me though?
No, but I'll hand it to you.
Okay.
I'll give you my business card.
Okay.
I get them free where I work, kind of like that pen I gave you. Remember?
Yeah. You know, I pay for it, so.
So do I. I pay taxes.
You double dipping.
Yup, a little bit.
Hey, this is kind of, look at this. This is, look, can't see if we see, you can feel it. Mm-hmm. I like that. Hey, I gotta show other people this. Y'all gotta step your cars up. Hey, y'all have a blessed day, man, and stay safe out there. Yes, I appreciate you.
The ending reads like a debrief. Names are exchanged, the auditor calls for body cam review, and there's a polite but firm close. There's no dramatic arrest, but that's exactly the point. Accountability can be quiet and effective. The auditor secures what he can and signals follow-up, leaving viewers with an open thread. Will the paperwork and footage back him up? Watch the tone soften but the aim persist. The staff attempt light banter and small compliments, but the underlying accountability thread remains. The audience is left satisfied that the encounter didn't collapse into chaos, yet curious about the next steps, stamps, footage, and official responses. Use this as your tag. It resolves the immediate scene while promising a procedural sequel. The real story lives in the records they just handled.